This tutorial will take you through another one of GrainGenes' resources, and that's the Marker Assisted Selection in Wheat page at UC Davis, which provides protocols for common wheat breeding targets. The landing page at MASwheat provides featured genes and links straight to those protocols, as well as genes for multiple resistance. Click the Protocols tab from the top menu, and you'll see a drop-down list of protocol classes curated at MASwheat. Here's the stripe rust resistance class. You'll see several curated genes, and we'll look at here at YR78, the most recent one. And these descriptions have long descriptions, mapping information, PCR primers, PCR conditions, and often designated SNPs for resistant haplotypes. And of course, all curated pages have a long list of references from which these protocols originated. As always, labs should optimize their own conditions before proceeding with their own research. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and visit GrainGenes for more tutorials like this.